What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to Plant Park Podcast, your choice hub for book reviews and crucial conversations. It's so good to bring you this episode on today, February 21st, 2025. And this sound that's playing in the background is the sound of rain. I think I like it. I just like the expectations of rain. The weather has been hot for some time now. Not just physical rain, abundance, financially, spiritual abundance, mental abundance, just increase on all sides. I'm excited about that. So yeah, hence this background for today. And today we're going to be talking about um when you work from home, right? Whether as a stay-at-home mom, work from home mom, work from home man, woman, tech bro, or you just basically work from home, or you're in between jobs. I just want to share you three things that can help you to feel better and to be more productive, as in from your home. Because I get a lot of people asking me to see you basically work from home at the moment, and except you have stuff doing outside, and of course now we have to go for trainings outside and do stuff outside and just do things outside of the home. But when you're at home, how do you stay productive? For me, I didn't see it as a big deal, right? But over the course of the past couple of days, weeks, months, and even years, I've had to answer this question over and over again. And as I was thinking this evening, I thought to bring this to you guys. So, today's episode, I'm going to share three things I do that make me productive, and you can also do if you've got things that you do as well. Please put them in the comment section so we can also learn from you. The aim of this episode is just to help you become a better person and a more productive person, even when you're working from home. Let's go on a quick commercial break. We'll be right back. Back, guys. Welcome back. It's good to have you here. Okay, first thing I do when I work from home is that I lay my bed when I stand up. So when you wake up in the morning, I think that laying your bed, they said the bed is usually one of the largest pieces of furniture in the bedroom, which I agree with this. And even if you're living in one room, the bed is actually like your biggest flat surface, you understand? And laying your bed can make you feel better, like instantly. Lay your bed, sweep. Yeah, even if the house is not dead, at least lay your bed. You slept on it overnight. When you lay your bed, it kind of just helps me like prep for the day, like just alerts me and changes the mood of the room. Bed laid, no going back to the bed, at least for now. Second thing I do is this is gonna be quite a short episode, which is fine. Second thing I do when I wake up is that I always make sure that I take a shower. Of course, drink water, like that is standard you grab, but take a shower. So when you're still on your nightie or you are in your pajamas, or I don't know how you sleep, um, and you want to start your day like that, sometimes it just comes off like you are still dragging. Do you know that feeling that you woke up in the morning and you're just dragging, there's no ginger to do anything. But one thing you can instantly do that will just switch up your mood is that you should just quickly take a shower. Taking a shower will just changes the game for me. So take a shower. Once that water touches your body, you've laid your bed, you've drank water as you woke up, stand up and you understand. Take a shower, moisturize your body if you can, if the weather is not too hot. If it is, just use maybe oil for your palm and for your face, and then wear something. I have kind of like reorganized my wardrobe to have sleepy clothes, you understand, like sleeping clothes, like nighties and all. And then I have a section of clothes that I don't wear them out. Like I can't wear them out to go and do training. But I can wear them in the house, or I want to go and buy something. You understand? Once I wear those clothes, you understand? Even if you're at home, you don't want to wear bra, you don't want to wear maybe leggings and everything. But wearing another clothes from after you had your bath, wearing another clothes can help you feel better instantly and just set you in the mood to work. Then lastly, thing I would like to say is that structure your day. You may feel like you have a whole day ahead of you when you wake up and you're working from home, especially if it's your business and you are not accountable to anybody. At least if it's that you're working in an office, to an extent, right? You still have to maybe go for meetings at certain times. Yes, I still have some form of accountability structures. You understand? But if it's your business, it can be a whole lot harder when you are the CEO, HR, everything, sales of your business, and you grab what I'm saying. So one thing that you can do, another thing you can do to help you feel better is structure your day. Okay, when I wake up, and try to have times that you wake up, like walk around a clock. Okay, so you say, oh, I wake up by 6:30 a.m. for instance. I lay my bed, do stuff like that. By 7:15, I am. If you're an early riser, or if you would like to take breakfast early, I want to quickly take my breakfast by that 7 something. If you're not a breakfast person, like people that want to eat their breakfast, I recommend that people will take their breakfast early. At least maybe drink water, or maybe take ogi. Depends on you, Sha, what works for you. Maybe between 7 to 9, have something you want to do, and be realistic and have something you're working on for that time. Then take breaks. So I always advise people, do something serious, something playful, then something serious. So for instance, now if I have in my schedule that I want to clean today's Friday, that this podcast came out. If I want to clean today Friday, if I want to clean, I want to do laundry, I have some like plant path work to do, right? I'll wake up in the morning and the first thing I'm doing is, after like laying the bed, having a shower, is to quickly do the plant path and having breakfast, depends, is to really do the plant path work because my mind is sharp and everything. Then by the time maybe it's 12, okay, I feel like it's Friday, TGIF, where I'm supposed to close earlier, you understand, according to my schedule. So what do I do next? Immediately it's like maybe 12, you understand, like at least that early morning I would have kicked in like 3 4 hours of good brilliant work. If even if I'm, you understand, that's like it keeps me sharp and tops. So let's say I'm supposed to shoot content, I would mostly not put content with cleaning and all of that in my schedule for the week. But let's assume that I was supposed to shoot maybe one quick video, 2 quick videos. Around that 12, I quickly shoot the videos, you understand, and as I'm shooting, I'm kind of like editing, watching what I've done. So in case there's any need for mistake, for corrections and all of that. Once I'm done with that like this, I will now go and I will now maybe take a rest. In between, maybe playing a message, maybe playing a podcast, maybe listening back to my own podcast, or listening to Harvard Graduate School of Education and other like brilliant edcasts, like education podcast and stuff. Especially if I want to research on a topic, I could just start listening to YouTube videos on them while, you understand, that is playing the background while I'm trying to cook or do anything I want to do. Cook, clean the house, you understand, and then take dinner, rest a bit, maybe watch a movie. Then if it's a day I'm jogging, you understand, I just quickly go and jog later in the day. So kind of this, having this kind of structure. And to be sincere, I also have a structure for rest. There are days that they're just my rest days. I'm not doing anything, I'm just watching a movie or reading a relaxing book. I'm just chill. Yes, I know much work. I've got days like that too. Let's put some balance to it. I don't believe that you should work every day of the week. You can't work 365 days of the week now, of the year. You're just joking. So, anyways, I thought to just share this kind of thoughts with you, especially for you if you're struggling with your productivity when you work from home. All right. So, it's nice to talk about this topic with you. Pray that as you have listened to this episode, you're a more productive person generally, you understand. If you've got hacks that you have that help you be a more productive person when you work from home, or do your business from home, please put it in the comment section. We'll be glad to hear from you. Have a wonderful day. See you next week. Bye.